You're at the processes section of the new Paradigm Toolkit within the School of Conscious Communication website. Now, processes of the 5 different parts of the new Paradigm Toolkit, which are maps, card sets, game boards, software, and processes, is the one which is a little bit different. It's intangible. A process isn't necessarily a thing. It is something that a human does. It is something which machines can do, something which both can do together. But the idea of the process is that it goes through a 7-step process. You have a start, a setup, a build-up, a crescendo, ease out, connect and unify, and finish. This is the universal process that we use at the School of Conscious Communication. Now, each one of these steps, you can have a values lens and a conversation type. And what this does is it creates parameters for the steps within your process. And since there are over 100 values cards and over 100 combo types, there are almost billions of processes that can be created. Now, one of the ideas is that you have gifts, you have talents, you have something you want to bring into the world. Well, what if it could be put into a process called your winning formula, where you put everything you had into one process that you then use to bring to the world? In this manner, you could basically custom design a specific process utilizing all of your gifts together in one package. And if you can do it for yourself, then you can do it for others as a teacher or a facilitator. And so the process is basically going from here to here. And within that process, you are creating value for your client or for yourself. The conscious communication card set is what you use to create these processes. Here we have a now 7-step winning formula. It starts with the first contact, where the focus is on health. Then you connect with an utter ruthlessness, not allowing anything to stop you. Then you create ideas based upon whatever it is that is within you. To have that, you need intimacy. Then there's going to be guidance through a divine nature, where healing is going to occur with the intention of joy. Finally, you're going to reformat your mind and have that accurate linked into your gifts. And at the end, there's a great appreciation based upon faith. Now, this is just one set of formulas that can be used by Hannah to take her clients through a transformation of their self, to get more in touch with who they are. You could do the same thing for yourself. You could go over a period of a year and look at a larger process of your whole business and what process that you have to go through to bring a new business into the world. That's a different type of process. You could map out your process in a lunar cyclical cycle and figure out within that lunar cycle, when is the best time for you to work, and when is the best time for you to play, and when is the best time for you to rest. It all depends upon how long a process you want to look at. Is it over a period of a lifetime? Is it over a period of a year? Is it over a period of a season? Is it over a period of a lunar cycle? Is it over a period of a day, or even an hour, or as short as a minute? Each one of these are parameters for you to create the processes that you want, but it's the tools of the new Paradigm Toolkit that will help you to do so. Main idea is that we're building a new paradigm together, one based upon love, and moving away from an old paradigm based upon fear. This is going to be done by creating processes that take us from here to here. Does this interest you? Contact us. Be part of the solution, not part of the problem.